Haven't done a Volvo update in a long time, so here is the Gringo. And let's see, I bought this thing probably about a year and a half ago. So I registered it in March, and it's July, so of the year I bought it, which was, yeah, it's like a year and a half. And I put on a ton of miles, probably 16,000 miles on it. I drove it to Arkansas and back to my sister's in Denver, not Denver, in Dallas, same thing, Dallas, Denver. And she's done real well. I had the radiator explode on me once because the pressure release wasn't working on the cap, and I had a wheel well full of water because the drain got plugged and the fan went out because it got filled with water and it rusted and turned to crap. So that was all addressed. And let's see, what other me I've done battery. The battery finally died like last month. I have a tire that's slowly leaking air, and I think that's probably a nail. I'm just too lazy to mess with it. Is he coming here? Hey, yes, I need my springs. Yes, hopefully this is the springs for the Phoenix. I love this guy. And let's see, what else have I done with it. I think that's about it. Oil changes. So for 3,000 bucks, it's been super dependable, great car. And yeah, I just love driving this thing. I actually added some advance to the timing, and it kind of picked up a little bit. It's not quite the turd, but it needs a little boost, so we'll work on it.